Welcome back, everybody. This is Wisconsin Shoe Guy, and today we're going to take a look at a pair of Viberg shoes. Now, Viberg is in Canada. They've been around since 1931, and they make really nice boots. But what about their shoes? So I put together an order here for a pair. They have a nice little product care book, and here you go. If you want to pause on that, take a look at it. And here. And this is a pair of slides. Now, my wife has been learning Chinese, and so as part of our language development, we've been watching a lot of television, and everyone in China seems to wear slides in the house. So I thought it would be an interesting way to take a look at these and see. These are stitched shoes, and see how they are for a very, very different style for me. Now, this is Janice suede, and as you can see, it's beautiful. They do a nice job, and I wanted to see they're lined, just a basic rubber sole, no welts, no anything fancy like that, right? But they're stitched shoes, so they should give me a good understanding of the quality of Viberg, and give me a shoe that I will wear and can wear around the house, and with that sole, I can wear that out as well. So that's kind of the idea. So it's a different kind of shoe, certainly not the kind that I normally go after, but it's also utilitarian because I will wear these, especially with shorts and especially around the house. So this is a new style. Let me know what you think. Certainly beautiful leather. They have nice work on the shoes. Look at that, there's no stitching there. They have a little piping on the end here, but nothing stitched. So it'll be a little bit of a change for me to see exactly how they fit and feel. But I will report back, as always. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.